Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. I'm together with my bro. I'm having so much fun. It's Sunday. I'm gonna show you 3 pinball machines that I really like to play. The first one is Whitewater. The second one is 8-Ball Deluxe. And the third one is Creature from the Black Lagoon. So let's start with this one. I mean, this pinball machine, look at the condition. Look at the cabinet first. Colors are so perfect, and it's all original. This is not a, it's not new decals, no, nothing like that. Really like it. We got color DMD. Real nice back glass here. We got this naked version playfield. It's a bit dirty, but I mean, just take a look at this, man. It's just so beautiful. Everything is just, yeah, I love it. Look at that mod over there. I really like it. Drive-in theater, now showing Creature from the Black Lagoon. Really nice. It's a mod that I really like. These purple and bluish yellow lights over here, I like it. The car over here, beautiful, with lit LEDs over there. Naked lady over here, and there's another detail somewhere else, I just don't remember. But this one, it's such a fun game, and the condition, I love it, man. Wow, beautiful pin. So the next one is over here. It's 8-Ball Deluxe. Look at this. I mean, these old Bally Williams games from 1980 to 82. Not before it. This is from 78. I like them, but not as much as 80 to 82. They are so special. Audio part is so nice. After 82, you know how it is. But again, super nice cabinet here. Really love it. Look at the playfield. I mean, this game is from 81. Look at the details. Beautiful everywhere. The LEDs are blinking on the video, but the real deal, it's of course not like that. It's just the camera that makes them blink. But fun game, simple game. You have to shoot all these 7 balls and then 8 balls and going on lock there. You have these inlane drop down targets over here, the rollover switch over there. First time you hit it, you will get 10,000, then 30, 50, and extra ball. Real fun to go there, and it has got A, B, C, D.
Talking and start talking.
Yeah, so many great details. Love this pin. So if you're looking for a decent Bally game from 80 to 82, popular, love the pin. A lot of them made, fully recommended by RETROCENGO. Man, it's a fun pin. Yeah. The third one we're gonna take a look at over here is this one. I mean, look at the cabinet here. Beautiful legs, everything. I really like this one, and the gameplay of the Whitewater is just something else. Let's look at the other side here. What a nice pin, man. So as you can see here, the back glass is a bit different and it's beautiful. Yeah. Again, color display, color DMD, and playfield, beautiful, clear coated. Everything is just so beautiful on this one. I mean, just look at the details. Of course, full LED, everything.
Quit talking and start talking.
Really fun pinball machine. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I wish you all a great day out there. RETROCENGO out.